Hello everybody. This is Aditi Gupta. Namaskar. I am a life and business coach and strategist, and today I am here to discuss with you the very interesting topic of visualization. What it is and why do you need to do it? Now, to understand visualization, you need to do something. I'll give you some instructions which you'll have to follow while closing your eyes, and then I'll explain what visualization is. Now close your eyes. Now recall Amitabh Bachchan ji. How he looks, how he moves, how he talks. Try to remember these things. By now, you might be able to see his photo, his images. He might be moving in your image, or some people might have recalled some film scene of his, right? Now you can open your eyes. What you did just now is what visualization is. Yes, it is visualization. Now, when you close your eyes, some people might have seen a black color with patterns floating around, right? Some people might have got some other color like orange or red or white or grey right in front of their closed eyes. Now, when I asked you to remember Amit ji, then you might not have got his image in that black color or whatever color you saw. It's not necessary that the image formed in that color, but you knew how he looked. Somewhere the image got formed. That is visualization. It's not necessary that the mental images get formed in the black or the single color which you see once you close your eyes. Where these images are forming is a separate thing. We'll discuss some other time. But the images are forming. For some people, his voice might have come. For them, that is the part of visualization. So this is visualization. Whenever something real is happening and you are forming its mental images, you are visualizing. And when something is not happening for real, but you are still thinking about it, you are still forming its mental images, then that is also visualization. An interesting thing is that your mind does not know the difference between the two. That is when it's real and when it's not real. If you are visualizing it, if you are forming the mental images, then for your mind it's real. It's real for the mind in both the cases. Now, the question is, why do we need to understand visualization? What's the purpose? Why should we do it? Why should we learn how to do visualization? Now, in your childhood, you must have heard some stories from your grandparents or parents. You must also have read some novels. And till date, you remember them. You remember the basic plot. You might remember the details. But in the same childhood, you have also learned and read history books in your curriculum. Do you remember them? I don't think so. Why is it? Why is it that you remember the stories told to you or the novels you read, but you do not remember the history books? It's because when you were reading the novels or listening to the stories, you were visualizing them. How the character looks, what kind of scene it is, how the house looks, what is happening in the scene. And this visualization has caused you to remember it for so long. So, whenever you have to understand something or memorize something for long term, visualize it. You'll never forget it. Second thing is law of attraction. Visualization has a big role to play in law of attraction. I'm not saying that law of attraction is totally visualization and nothing else. But visualization plays a very important role. What will your mind attract? It will attract those things that it understands. What will it understand? That which is clear to it. And what is clear to it? That which it visualizes. How will your mind understand that I have to attract such a thing? I have to attract this. I want this. How will your mind understand this? By visualization. So, the more you learn visualization, the more benefits you get. If you have any questions or you want to say anything, you want to share an experience, please comment in the comment box below. And if you want any topics in the videos, then you can write down those topics in the comment box below. And for any other information, you can visit my website, which is given in the YouTube description box below. You can note it down also. It's theaditigupta.com. That is theaditigupta.com. My online workshops happen from time to time. You're most welcome to attend. And now, I pray to this divinity, to this universe, that it always stays with you, keeps you happy, makes you prosperous, keeps you healthy, and guides you in right direction. And may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this prayer, I'll meet you next time. Thank you.